and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm making an easy weeknight dinner that is perfect for this fall and back to school season, my ground beef stroganoff. Today's video is sponsored by the Pennsylvania Beef Council, and I am so excited to continue my partnership with them throughout this year, bringing you recipes that highlight the incredible flavor and versatility of beef. My two oldest children recently went back to school, and I am already feeling the need for hearty dinners that are fast and easy to prepare. Enter my ground beef stroganoff. This dish is super flavorful, you can prepare it in under 30 minutes, and it makes amazing leftovers too. Did you know that beef contains 10 essential nutrients, including protein, iron, and zinc, that will keep my family full and energized during all their after-school activities? You can visit pabeef.org for more information. To start my ground beef stroganoff, I diced up 1 onion, minced 2 cloves of garlic, and sliced up 1 box of white button mushrooms. Next is the star of the show, my ground beef. I used just a little over a pound, and I broke that up with my wooden spoon in a nonstick skillet over about medium-high heat until it started to brown. And then I washed my hands in hot soapy water. Always be sure to do this before and after handling raw meat. Also at this time, I added in my chopped up veggies so they would cook too. I seasoned this mixture with a little bit of kosher salt and black pepper, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. Thyme pairs really well with mushrooms, and I thought it would be a great little flavor addition to this ground beef stroganoff. Once the meat was completely cooked through and the vegetables had softened, I sprinkled 3 tablespoons of flour over top and stirred it together. Now, typically when making ground beef, I would drain off the excess fat, but I decided not to here because I thought the flour would kind of absorb that, and that would help to thicken our beef broth, which is what I added next. Here I had 2 cups of low sodium beef broth, and this creates this really rich gravy-like sauce for our beef stroganoff. So after you stir this all together, allow it to simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens up. And then I added a couple more savory flavors, including 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Lastly, I turned off the heat and added a 1/2 cup of sour cream, which gives this sauce a really nice tang and super creamy texture. I stirred everything together, and that is the ground beef stroganoff. Now in the meantime, I did have a pot of water come to a boil, and I cooked a whole bag of egg noodles that I could use as a bed for my beef stroganoff. The final step is to serve this up, and I sprinkled some dried parsley over top as a little garnish for a touch of green. This was absolutely fabulous. My whole family really enjoyed it. This dish has a rich, savory flavor and is the perfect comfort food for this fall season. Thank you so much to the Pennsylvania Beef Council for sponsoring this video today. You can visit pabeef.org for your all things beef resource. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my ground beef stroganoff recipe today. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I will see you again with more family recipes.